Good morning. This is Dr. Tarek. Today, some terms about phlebotomy, medical terminology in phlebotomy. The first term is ante, A-N-T-E. Ante mean before, like antenatal, before the delivery. Anti, A-N-T-I, against, like anti-gravity, against the gravity. A-N-T-E, anti mean before, antenatal, before the delivery, and anti mean against, anti-gravity. Brady, slow. Hyper, above, excess. The example of brady is bradycardia, slow heart. Hyper, hyperglycemia, excessive amount of glucose present in the blood. Hypo, hypo mean below or less. Hypotension, low blood pressure. Hypoglycemia, presence of less sugar in the blood. Less mean less than normal. Inter, inter mean in between the cell. Inter mean in between. This cell, these are in between the cell. Intercellular, and this is inside the cell. Intracellular, intra mean inside, intracellular inside the cell, and intercellular mean in between the cell. Neo, neo mean new, that is usually taken as cancer. Poly, many. Polycythemia, many, presence of many cells in the blood. Post mean after. Postprandial, postprandial mean after the meal. 2 hours after, 2 hours postprandial. This is a test for glucose in the blood, which is taken 2 hours after the meal. 2 hours postprandial, after. Tachy mean fast. Normal pulse rate is 60 to 100. Less than 60 is brady, and more than 100 is tachy. Cyan mean blue. Cyanosis, blue abnormal condition of being blue. Sometimes when a baby is born, cannot take breathing, so baby become blue. That condition is known as cyanosis. Emia, these are suffixes. Emia, blood condition like anemia. Anemia means presence of less blood, presence of less hemoglobin, presence of less RBCs. Plasty means shape or repair, surgical repair. Dermoplasty, surgical repair of the skin. Tomy, T-O-M-Y, tomy means to cut. Phlebotomy, to cut into the vein. To cut into the vein to withdraw the blood. Oma. Oma means tumor or growth. Hematoma, tumor of the blood. Lipoma, tumor of the fat. Penia, deficiency. Thrombocytopenia, deficiency of thrombocyte platelets in the body. Normally they are present in 1.5 to 4.5 per deciliter in the blood. 1.5 to 4.5 thousand. Pathy, disease. Neuropathy, disease of the nervous system. Plagia, paralysis. Hemiplegia, means paralysis, half of the body. Half of the body. Stasis, stopping. Hemostasis, stoppage of the bleeding. Hem is blood, stasis is stopping. Hemostasis, stopping the blood. Itis, inflammation. Tonsillitis. Janus, originating from or causing, like carcinogenic. They cause cancer. Erythro, red. Erythrocytosis, presence of excessive number of red blood cell. Erythrocytosis. Epi, above. This is above the skin, for example. So the epidermis, above the skin. Hemi means half. Hemiplegia, paralysis, one half of the body, the right one or left one, which anyone. Hemiplegia. Post, after. Postprandial. Prandial mean meal. Postprandial, after the meal. Cirrhosis. Cirrho mean yellow. Cirrhosis of liver, where the color of the liver becomes yellow due to fat deposition. Peri. Peri mean around, like periphery. Peri, around. Peripheral. Perinatal, around the time of delivery, like mean little bit before and little few hours after the delivery. This is known as perinatal. Tetra. Person has 4 limbs. Tetra mean 4, so all 4 limbs are paralyzed. Tetraplegia. Lute. Lute means yellow, like corpus luteum, that is produced in the ovary in the second half of the menstrual cycle, and it disappears if pregnancy does not take place. So this is all by now. See you next time with some more questions. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Bye.